My dad's house is located more like the outskirts of Warake. His building is far from other buildings, so basically he is the only one here, and there is a thick forest in front of the house. So this is me going in, and that's the security house, and this is the main house. One thing I love about this house is the land. There is land here, as in land for this place. As an agricultural student, I actually do not mind relocating to this house just to farm all these places and send everything to the north, because that is business, that is money. He actually has a plantation farm and also ogbono, and his brother farms it and sells it. But this is basically how the house looks like. I couldn't go inside because it is not my house, it is not my property, according to Edo people. And I really love the view. No, trust me, I am not exaggerating. I love this, and I wish I could relocate to the village to have all of this to myself. This is the backyard, and this is where they cook. Like, it has a kitchen, but they cook here because obviously, you know, be small food you go they cook now, plenty food, so you cannot cook this kind of plenty food in the kitchen. But in there the back. We were talking about if this house can be put on rent, since we are not permanently living in the village, and he said no, the house is put on rent. All the houses they pay 1,000 naira per month. Bye.